Okay, example 9. Cos of theta is 1 over root 2. Pretty much the same stuff. This one, though, we have a root 2, so it's going to be a different special triangle. This one is going to be the 1, 1, root 2, which means that our related acute angle is going to be 45 degrees. Cosine is positive. Where is cosine positive? Cosine is positive in the first and the fourth quadrants. So we're going to have an answer in the first quadrant and the fourth quadrant. Our related acute angle is 45 and 45. And so our answer in the first quadrant is going to be 45 degrees. Our answer in the fourth quadrant is going to be 360 minus 45, which is 315. And so the answer is that theta is 45 degrees or 315 degrees. Okay, this one's different. Can we see why it's different? The range has changed. So it's not going to change much at first. So tangent being minus 1, it's not the 1, 2, root 3 triangle. That's actually the 1, 1, root 2 one again. So that's going to be 45 degrees. So my related acute for this is going to be 45 degrees. Then what we're going to do, we're going to take a look at the cast rule. And tangent is negative, so tangent is negative there and there. So far we're gonna ignore that right till the very end. I'm gonna put this a little bit higher up because we're gonna need some space now. So we're gonna have a second quadrant answer and a fourth quadrant answer. Our related acute is 45. Our related acute is 45. So the answer there is going to be 180 minus 45. And the one over here is going to be 360 minus 45, which is 135. And which is 315 degrees. However, we have an expanded range here, which means we have to look at some of the coterminal angles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 360 to this. So 315 plus 360 is 675. I'm also going to subtract 360. So minus 135 minus 360 is negative 225. This one, adding 360, I'm already above it. So I'm going to subtract 360. That's going to give us negative 45. And I'll subtract 360 again, just to be safe. Minus 400. So these are kind of my candidate answers. And we have to know, but the domain we have is we have to be between 360 and 270. So that one's between negative 360 and 270. That one's too high. That doesn't work. That one works. This one is too high. Does not work. That one works. And that one's too low, so that one doesn't work. So in this case, the answer is going to be, in order from lowest to highest, minus 225 degrees, negative 45 degrees, and positive 135 degrees. And those are, if tan of theta equals negative 1, those are all the answers in that domain that have a tangent of minus 1.